It's Leah Miller here with the Miller team at Keller Williams Realty.
And I'm Darin Miller. Welcome to 24 Lendon Main, located in the heart of the elegant and highly sought after Lendon Subdivision right here in Jones Valley.
If you're looking for luxury, comfort, and convenience, you're going to love this home. Let's take a look inside. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the high ceilings, beautiful crown molding, and recessed lighting that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The open floor plan makes it perfect for entertaining or family gatherings.
Just look at this cozy living area with custom built-ins and a fireplace that's perfect for chilly nights. The newly installed hardwoods throughout give the entire home an elegant, timeless feel. Now, if you love cooking, this gourmet kitchen is a dream come true. It's equipped with professional-grade appliances, a gas stove, a spacious island, and plenty of counter and storage space, including a walk-in pantry. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just enjoy cooking for family, this kitchen has it all.
Let's head into the main level owner's retreat. This space is truly a sanctuary with a luxurious ensuite glamour bath, complete with a soaking tub and separate shower, and this dreamy custom closet. You'll feel like you're living in a 5-star resort every day. And when it's time to relax, just step outside into your screened-in patio. This peaceful retreat is perfect for sipping your morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day.
Upstairs, we have something special. A fully equipped media room complete with a full kitchenette and 3D projector screen. Whether you're watching movies, hosting game nights, or just lounging with friends and family, this space has endless possibilities. Up here, you'll also find 2 large bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bath and walk-in closet. And there's even a study, which can easily be used as a 4th bedroom if needed.
One of the best things about this home is its location. You're just minutes away from Jones Valley's best shopping, dining, entertainment, and a beautiful park with walking trails around the pond.
Plus, you've got easy access to Redstone Arsenal Gate 8 and the hospital, making this home not only luxurious, but incredibly convenient.
We could go on and on, but honestly, I think you need to see this home and experience it for yourself.
Give us a call at 256-479-8410 to schedule a private tour. We'd love to show you all that 24 Lendon Main has to offer.